Hello, Grog the Zombie here with my best friend Sheep. Say hello, Sheep.
Hi.
We are coming to you live from Atlantis, Georgia at the Eastie Conference. Sheep and I are at the Excuse me, sorry about that. Me went a little zombie. Let me try again. Brain.
Grog, let me help. We're at the BrainPod booth here in the exhibition hall. Today we've decided to...
Can we go yet?
Titus, we just got here to the conference.
Yeah, we're very excited to be at conference. Oh, that's all I've heard about for weeks now. The conference. Take me to the conference. You've driven us hundreds of miles out of the way to the conference. I'm so tired of being at this conference. Do you even know what this conference is for? Judging by the looks of everything, it is a free pen and tote bag conference.
Titus, ISTE is the largest ed tech conference in the United States. It's one of the best ones of the year, where people come from all around to learn ed tech and...
Oh, ed tech, huh? Do you even know what ed tech is? Oh, I know ed tech. I know Ed Tech. I know Ed Harris. I know Edward Scissorhands. I'm so tired of this. I'm getting out of here. I'm going to the Bloggers Cafe with my homeboy Is-T. What up, Stuart? Yeah. Oh, yeah? You even know what a blog is since you're going to hang out in the Bloggers Cafe? I know stuff. I know stuff. A blog lives in a swamp and it hops on lily pads and stuff. I know all kinds of things. Yeah, you just got served, man. Okay, it's obvious Titus the Monkey has no idea why we're here at ISTE EdTech Conference.
Well, but we hope you do, and we hope you make lots of great connections and learn a ton of good things to take back to your students in the classrooms.
Thank you for enjoying ISTE. Have a great day, everybody.